Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days. It's Tutorial Tuesday, and today we're going to make another bookmark. This one requires absolutely no sewing. For this project, you will need 2 pieces of fabric measuring 2 inches by 8 inches, 2 pieces of Heat and Bond No Sew Ultra Hold measuring 1 3/4 inches by 7 3/4 inches, pinking shears, an iron, and a ribbon measuring 3 inches. I cut a little V into the end of mine to make it a little more decorative. You can find a written version of this supply list and the measurements on debsdays.com. I've added a direct link in the description right below this video. Center a piece of Heat and Bond on the wrong side of one of your fabrics. Iron it on, following the directions on your Heat and Bond packaging. Set it aside. Do the same with the other fabric. Center the Heat and Bond and iron it. Let both pieces cool and then peel off the paper backing. Now place the wrong sides together so the Heat and Bond is facing each other. Make sure they're lined up nicely. Now iron them together, but this is important. Do not iron the top inch of the bookmark. All right, let it cool. Grab your pinking shears. Holding the bookmark's top, cut across the unironed part of the bookmark. Now grab your ribbon and place your ribbon into that open end. Now it's okay to go ahead and iron the rest of the bookmark together. All right, make sure you don't iron the ribbon though. Now use your pinking shears to cut all around the bookmark. And that's it. You are done. If you'd like to see more craft projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And stop by the blog at debsdays.com. You'll find free patterns, supply lists, and links to more sewing and crafting videos. See you next week with another project.